In this episode, I'll show you some extraordinary uses of mica that you've probably never heard of before. I'll also explain exactly what mica is, and at the end, you'll discover an amazing space-related fact. Let's get started. What are pearl pigments? We've all come across shiny particles that decorate everyday items, like cosmetics or ornaments. In today's episode, you'll discover some unique uses for this mineral. But what exactly are these shiny particles? Pearl pigments are special substances added to products to give them a subtle sheen, glow, or a twinkling effect that resembles pearls. They're typically made from mica. What makes them so special is their ability to reflect and scatter light, creating effects of depth and changing colors. What is mica? Mica is a group of minerals from the silicate family, known for their thin, transparent layers that easily peel off. They also share similar physical and chemical properties. Leading mica-producing countries in 2023. In 2023, China was the world's largest producer of mica, with an estimated output of 85,000 metric tons. Finland followed with 60,000 metric tons, and other top producers included Madagascar, the United States, Canada, India, and South Korea. The color of mica. Mica can come in a variety of colors, from silver, gold, brown, and black to pink, depending on the type of mica and the impurities it contains, such as light muscovite or darker biotite. There is also a synthetic version of mica called Fluorphlogopite, which is smoother and more reflective than natural mica. Synthetic mica is gaining popularity because its production doesn't involve environmental issues, such as habitat destruction or child labor in certain parts of the world. Pearl pigments based on mica. Natural mica is transparent or translucent gray, but to add color, it is coated with various pigments and metal oxides. These pigments are responsible for the wide range of colors mica can take on, including titanium dioxide, iron oxide, and chromium oxide. Pearl pigments. Under the microscope. When viewed under a microscope, mica reveals its characteristic structure made up of thin, transparent plates. These plates are so thin that their thickness is measured in micrometers. They can be over 100 times thinner than a human hair. Interestingly, pearl pigments on the microscopic scale change color depending on the angle of view. Each layer reflects light in a unique way, and interference, when light waves overlap, creates a characteristic shimmering effect. This precise play of light causes colors to shift depending on the angle of the light. Is the color under the microscope the same as what we see with the naked eye? It turns out it's not. Golden particles reveal blue, purple, and green hues under the microscope. Blue mica transforms into green, yellow, and turquoise blue plates. Red particles show orange and yellow shades, while light green pearl pigments reveal surprising purple, pink, and green reflections. Where do we use mica in everyday life? You'll find mica in cosmetics, such as eyeshadows, eyeliners, lip glosses, nail polishes, as well as in balms, gels, and oils with glittery particles. Mica is also used in decorations, jewelry, toys, paper, invitations, markers, and even car paint. What's interesting is that mica is also safe for contact with food. Certified pearl pigments are used to add a luxurious shine to some dishes, and they also act as anti-caking agents. In the EU, mica is labeled as E555. In the USA, mica in food is listed as mica or mica powder and is considered GRAS, generally recognized as safe, meaning it has been deemed safe for consumption by the FDA. Mica in construction and electronics. Mica is also used in construction to add depth and shine to plasters and paints. In electronics, its unique insulating properties make it indispensable. Space fact: mica is even used in space research. Special paints containing mica help spacecraft maintain a stable temperature, proving that its magic extends beyond Earth's boundaries. Pearl pigments are a perfect example of biomimicry, where nature inspires the creation of modern technologies. Shells and pearls owe their shine to the layered structure of aragonite crystals, which scatter light. Scientists have developed synthetic versions of these natural processes, achieving even better optical properties.